Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials so you can act decisively. Open Unity and confirm the exact editor and player build versions. Mismatches cause many crashes. Then reproduce the crash while collecting logs player. Log on desktop, a DB logcat for Android or Event Viewer on Windows so you have concrete evidence. Once done, note device specs, scene name, and timestamps. This context speeds debugging and prevents chasing random symptoms, because crashes often trace back to a specific platform or API mismatch. Now isolate the culprit using a methodical approach. You perform a binary search. Disable half your scripts or assets, test, and repeat to narrow the offender. This quickly reduces scope. Next, build a development player with full stack traces and script debugging so exceptions show call paths. Meanwhile, inspect native plugins and memory behavior. Look for spikes, unbounded GC allocations, or main thread stalls, because unmanaged code or excessive allocations are frequent crash triggers and require. Finally, implement the targeted fix you identified. Patch the script, update or remove the plugin, or optimize memory allocations to avoid peaks. Then verify by building a production player and testing across the devices or configurations where the crash occurred. Run quick smoke tests and automated scenes to be confident. If the problem persists, enable crash reporting and collect minidumps or device-specific traces so you can escalate or reproduce remotely. If nothing works, roll back to last known good build before broader changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.